Okay, garage. Today I want to see the review of Chevrolet Impala. Chevrolet Impala. That's the review and full details of Chevrolet Impala. And a good car. So subscribe to my YouTube channel. There's okay garage. Let's go to see. This Chevrolet Impala have 6 speed. That's 3.6 liters and 6 cylinders. That's you have 305 305 HP as horsepower. So this is a Chevrolet Impala. That the length is stretch, its length small and stretch small. As the design, the side mirror. See how it designed nice. And this car, they say a car has a speed. This car actually have a speed. It run good. You can see how it is. So I recommend this car for anybody who want good and then want a car which can run. And this Chevrolet Impala 2 is heavy. So if you are booting this car, no need to be afraid of, because this Chevrolet Impala has good and strong tires. See, I really love this Chevrolet Impala. So it has cylinders. Let's go inside and see how it is. You can see inside here. So nice. So nice. So nice. You can see inside the seat. It has a leather seat. Has a leather seat. So good. This one. The space inside too is spaceable. Spaceable. There it has a spaceable. So you can see inside how they've moved inside. So this car is good. It's good to use. It's good to use. Everything is intact here. So the Chevrolet Impala is a good car to use. If you want the car, your speed, then I recommended this car for you to use. Let's go to the engine side and see. Let's go to the engine side and see. This is a Chevrolet Impala 2015. Yeah, it's 2015. Nice car with nice tires. I see nice car with nice tires. So I recommend this car for you to buy. You can see the engine compartment. The inside too is spaceable. You can see the inside. It is 6 cylinders. 6 cylinders. Chevrolet Impala 6 cylinders. And you can see how it moves. Here is the 3 plugs here, and another 3 is inside the manifold here. This one. So it's good to use. This is Chevrolet Impala, but I'm telling you the fact. This car is heavy, but it runs. You can see the speed of Impala, the animal itself, the Impala, how the Impala runs. This car has the speed. That's a 305 HP horsepower. That's a V6. Well, V6 has 3.5 liters. So it's good for you, and I recommended this car for you as a Impala, Chevrolet Impala. You can see the length alone. The length alone, and the model too is nice. How they used to model this car. I actually love this car. So I recommended this car for you if you want car It can run and is heavy, good tire strength, and then the engine performance good, and then the fuel consumption is also cool. Here you can see the design of a Chevrolet Impala. You can see the design of it. So this is the Chevrolet